So in this part I'm going to show you how we can set up the lab. So we will require 5 machine, one for control node and 4 we will be using as a managed host. So to set up a lab, we can use, so if you are Windows or Linux user, you can download the VMware workstation for Linux and Windows. But if you are a Mac user, you can just download the VMware Fusion, and on that we will be installing the CentOS ISO. So you can just download the CentOS minimal installation so that less resource will be used on your system to set up the lab. So let's search that and go to this link, and you can just download this image and boot it on the system. So this part I have already done. So if you see here, I have set up the control node and I have a 4 manage node. Okay, so you can just put that. So this is my control node. So host name I will change at control node. Bash. So now the host name is control node. Similarly, you can change the host name of the other managed node as well. I mean all the other nodes. So if I check the IP, so the IP is 192.168.1.100. So as per our diagram, 192.168.1.100 is control node, 101, 102, 103 and 104 is managed node. Okay, so let's check the reachability to the internet. Seems fine. So this is node 1. Node 1. This is node 2. Similarly, this is node 3. So log in with the root user and then node 3 bash to reflect the changed host name. This is node 4. So this name would be host 4. Okay, so if you check here, the IP address of this node 4 is 192.168.1.104. So if you want to change the IP, so if there is different IP and you want to change to some other IP, then you can use an MTUI tool and then edit. So this is the interface name, ENS33 edit, and then you can IPv4 configuration, you can set it to manual, and then the IP subnet gateway DNS mask, and then you can hit OK, back and quit, and then you can reload the connection, check the interface name and make it up. So sorry, ENS33. So you can do the same for all the control and manage